Welcome to Mr. Geek Tech. Check out the description for the link to get started with Cloudways today, the business email discount link, and for other income opportunities. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform designed to deliver exceptional speed, reliability, and performance, especially for WordPress websites. Whether you're a business owner, developer, or blogger, Cloudways takes the complexity out of cloud hosting so you can focus on what matters most: growing your online presence. With a streamlined interface and powerful features, Cloudways is trusted by thousands of users worldwide to keep their sites running smoothly and efficiently. By partnering with top-tier cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and Linode, Cloudways brings you the best of both worlds: the raw power and flexibility of cloud infrastructure, combined with a managed experience that takes care of the technical details. This means you get faster performance times, greater uptime, and the ability to scale your resources as your website grows, something traditional shared hosting simply can't offer. With Cloudways, you have the freedom to choose the server and data center location that best suits your needs and your audience. This level of customization ensures your website always performs at its peak, no matter where your visitors are coming from. Plus, you can easily upgrade your resources as your traffic increases, so your site never misses a beat. Website speed is more important than ever, not just for delivering a great user experience, but also for boosting your search engine optimization rankings and increasing conversions. Slow-performing sites can drive visitors away and hurt your business, while a fast, responsive website keeps people engaged and coming back for more. Cloudways addresses these challenges with advanced technologies like server-side caching, SSD-based hosting, and dedicated resources for every site. These features work together to ensure your website performs in a flash, handles traffic spikes with ease, and delivers a seamless experience to every visitor, every time. The Cloudways platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for those new to web hosting. With features like one-click staging environments, automated daily backups, and effortless scalability, you can manage your website with confidence. The dashboard puts powerful tools at your fingertips, making complex tasks simple and accessible. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Cloudways. You'll learn how to set up your account, launch your WordPress site, connect your custom domain, and secure your website with a free SSL certificate, all with just a few clicks. By the end of this guide, you will have a blazing fast, secure WordPress website that's ready to impress your visitors and outperform your competition. Let's dive in and discover how Cloudways can transform your web hosting experience. Getting started with Cloudways is incredibly straightforward. Just head over to their website from our personal link that will give you a bunch of free features and upgrades at mrgeek.tech/server and sign up for a new account. The registration process is quick and user-friendly, so you won't need to worry about any complicated steps or technical jargon. All you need is a valid email address, and you'll be on your way in no time. One of the best parts is that Cloudways offers a 3-day free test, giving you a risk-free opportunity to explore their platform and see if it's right for your needs. This means you can test out all the features and get a feel for the dashboard before making any commitments. But remember to subscribe after the 3 days, as any server and work you put into your website will be deleted after 15 days, if not fully subscribed by then. When you're ready to subscribe, don't forget to use any promo codes you might see on the top banner at checkout. These codes can help you save even more money on your first subscription, making it even more affordable to get started with premium hosting. For those who want the best performance, the DigitalOcean plan is highly recommended. It's known for its speed and reliability, making it a favorite among website owners who value fast performance times. This plan starts at just $14 per month, which is a great value considering the performance benefits you'll receive. When choosing your server, make sure to select a size of at least 1 GB of RAM. This ensures your website will run smoothly, even as your traffic grows. If you expect higher traffic or plan to run multiple sites, you might want to consider a larger server for extra resources. Next, pick a server location that's closest to your target audience. This helps minimize latency and ensures your visitors experience the fastest possible performance times, no matter where they are in the world. After you've selected your plan and server details, it's time to name your server and application. Choose names that make sense for your project, then simply click the Launch button to start the setup process. The setup process is automated and only takes a few minutes. You can watch the progress bar as Cloudways prepares your server, and before you know it, you'll be ready to start building your website. Cloudways' intuitive interface makes managing your server and applications a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. Everything is clearly labeled and easy to find, so you can focus on building your site instead of worrying about technical details. With your server live and ready, you're all set to launch your WordPress site and start creating content. Cloudways gives you the perfect foundation for a fast, secure, and reliable website. Now, let's launch your WordPress site from the Cloudways dashboard. Select your server, go to the Applications tab, and use the one-click WordPress installation. Enter your application name and clicking that name, and under Access Details is where you will find your WordPress login credentials after the application is created. Click Add Application, and in minutes, your WordPress site is live. Cloudways provides a temporary website address so you can build and test your site before connecting your domain. Experiment with themes, plugins, and content until you're satisfied. The platform supports a wide range of WordPress themes and plugins for any type of site. Once ready, you can move on to connecting your custom domain. Connecting your domain to your website is a crucial step, and using Cloudflare makes the process both simple and highly effective. Not only does Cloudflare streamline domain management, but it also provides a free content delivery network and adds an extra layer of security to your site right from the start. This means your website will load faster for visitors around the world and be better protected against common online threats, such as malicious bots. To get started, simply sign up for a free Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, add your domain name to your Cloudflare dashboard. Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing domain name server or DNS records, making it easy to import your current settings without any hassle. This automated process saves you time and reduces the risk of manual errors. Next, head over to Cloudflare's DNS management section. Here, you'll need to create an A record that points your domain to the IP address of your Cloudways server. This step is essential for directing all web traffic to your new hosting environment, ensuring your site is accessible to everyone. After updating your DNS records, switch over to your Cloudways dashboard. In the Domain Management section, enter your primary domain name. This links your domain directly to your WordPress site hosted on Cloudways, completing the connection between your domain registrar, Cloudflare, and your hosting provider. Once you've completed these steps, your domain is now fully connected to your Cloudways server. You've established a secure and reliable link, setting the foundation for a smooth website experience. To take full advantage of Cloudflare's features, make sure to enable the proxied option for your DNS record. This activates Cloudflare's CDN and security services, routing your traffic through their global network for optimal speed and protection. With the CDN enabled, your website's content is distributed across Cloudflare's worldwide servers. Site handle traffic spikes with ease. By setting up Cloudflare, you're not just improving speed, you're also enhancing your site's security and reliability. Your website is now ready to deliver a fast, safe, and seamless experience to all your visitors. Security matters. Installing an SSL certificate is essential for protecting your WordPress site. Cloudways offers a free SSL certificate through Let's Encrypt, making setup effortless. Go to the SSL certificate section in your Cloudways app settings, select Let's Encrypt, and enter your email and domain. Cloudways handles the rest, installing your SSL certificate automatically. Next, enable HTTPS redirection in the dashboard to ensure all traffic is securely encrypted. This boosts trust and credibility with your visitors. SSL and HTTPS also improve your search engine optimization, as search engines favor secure sites. With these steps, your WordPress site is both fast and secure. Cloudways doesn't include email hosting, but you have plenty of options. Add rack space to your Cloudways account for $1 per mailbox per month for reliable professional email. Or choose third-party services like Microsoft 365 for robust email and productivity tools. For budget-friendly options, Zoho Mail offers a free plan, or you can even use basic shared hosting from providers like Hostinger for unlimited email accounts. Visit mrgeek.tech/email for the best discounts and upgrades, and with business email only $4 per year with our special discount. Pick the solution that fits your needs and budget. Reliable email is essential for staying connected with your audience. Optimizing your site's speed is easy with Cloudways' built-in tools. First, increase your WordPress memory limit by editing the wp-config.php file to 1024 MB. Enable Redis caching in Cloudways server settings, then activate the Redis Object Cache plugin in WordPress. Varnish caching is enabled by default, but you can customize rules in the application settings. Exclude dynamic pages like e-commerce checkouts from caching for accuracy. These optimizations dramatically improve performance times and user experience. Faster sites also rank better in search engines. With Cloudways, top performance is just a few clicks away. A content delivery network boosts your site's speed by delivering content from servers closest to your users. Cloudflare's free CDN integrates easily. Just set your DNS record to proxied. Cloudways also offers its own CDN for $5 per month, or you can try third-party options like Bunny CDN. CDNs make your site faster, more scalable, and reliable for a global audience. As your traffic grows, a CDN ensures consistent performance. It's a must-have for any modern website. Real results speak volumes. A site moved from shared hosting to Cloudways with using DigitalOcean saw load times drop from over 10 seconds to under 1 second. Use tools like GTmetrix to monitor your site's speed and find areas for improvement. Focus on metrics like full performance time and first contentful paint for the best user experience. Regular testing keeps your site running at its best. With Cloudways and smart optimizations, you can build a fast, secure, and reliable WordPress site. Top-tier performance is within reach, no matter your experience level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Mr. Geek Tech.